Okay, so we have a spotlight here. Okay, and it's 12 meters away from the wall. So from the distance from here to here is 12. If a man 2 meters walks from the spotlight towards a building, so this is 2 meters tall. Okay, and he's walking towards the building at the speed of 1.6 meter per second. How fast is the length of the shadow of the building? Shadow on the building decreasing when he is 4 meters from the building. Okay, so of course the shadow will be right here. Right, so on the wall, this would be his shadow. Okay. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to know how fast that's shrinking. So let's call that just L. Okay. And with all the given information. Now the relationship here is one of a similar triangle. So there's a triangle right there. Okay, and there's also a triangle outside there. Okay, so the proportion between, so let me call this one right here x. Actually, you know what? Let me call this x. Okay, and this right here will be then 12 minus x because the whole length is 12. Okay, so with that, let's write our proportion relationship. Now 2 over 12 minus x, okay? So 2 over 12 minus x must equal to L over 12, okay? L over 12 because it's a similar triangle. Let's cross multiply and you get 24 is equal to 12 minus x times L. Let's differentiate both sides with respect to time. You get 0 on this side. This is going to be product rule, so we get minus dx over dt times L plus 12 minus x dl over dt. Okay, so what's given is this 1.6 meters per second. That's referring to dx over dt. Okay, and it's shrinking that distance. So we have to say minus 1.6. So we get a minus of minus 1.6. Okay, and they tell us he's exactly 4 meters from the building. So that means x is 4. So 12 minus 4 here. Now from here, if x is 4, we get 12 minus 4, 8. So 1 over 4. Right, cross multiply, or actually let's multiply both sides by 4, and you get 1 is equal to L over 3, so L is 3. Okay, so if it's exactly 4 meters away from the wall, the length of the shadow is exactly 3 meters tall. So I can replace that L with 3. And the only thing that's left over is the L over dt, so we can find out what that is. Okay, so we get you get a 4.8 here plus 8 dl over dt. Okay, so dl over dt then, right, is going to be minus 4.8 divided by 8. Okay, and this is in meters per second. And this negative makes sense because the length is shrinking. Okay, so this is actually minus 0.6 meters per second. Okay, so you can say therefore his shadow is decreasing at 0.6 meters per second.